Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today's video topic is if you're facing any kind of blue screen error on your laptop or desktop randomly, or if you're facing this blue screen error again and again, in this video I will show you a solution. So to fix this issue, you have to simply reset your operating system. So to reset your PC, you have to open your system in advanced mode. I will show you how to open it. If you are able to log in your system, click on your Windows icon and type reset. Then click on this option, reset this PC. Now you will see this option, advanced startup. Click on restart now. So this will open the advanced mode in your system. So this is the advanced mode we need. But if you are unable to log in your system, in that case you have to open the advanced mode forcefully. So for that I already created a video. I will put the video link in the description box. So with the help of that video you can open the advanced mode forcefully. So let's start the process. Open this advanced mode, then click on troubleshoot, then click on this option, reset this PC. Now you have two options, keep my files or remove everything. If you select this option, remove everything, all your data, all your personal files will be removed. So go for the first one, keep my files. If you select this option, all your data, all your personal files in your desktop or in your other partition will remain safe. In this process, there will be no data loss at all. Click on this option, keep my files. Now select the login username you have, click on it. Now enter the password. If you don't have any password, leave it blank and click on continue. Now click on local reinstall. Now you will see reset this PC, and these are the four informations that your system will go back to the default mode. Keep personal files, all the data in your system will remain safe, so there will be no data loss in this process. Reinstall Windows from this device. And the only drawback in this method is all the softwares in your system will remove. So this is the only drawback in this method. Simply click on reset and this will take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete. So this is all for the video. Thank you.